I think she said, was it that it costs up to 100,000 for the kit or something? I can't remember, that's insane money.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I just give my thoughts and opinions of what's going on in the supercar community. And on today's episode, we're going to be covering Supercar Blandies, Espot, Royalty Exotics, Gooses Flat and Mondi. Just before we jump into it, guys, thanks for taking a few minutes out of your day to check out the channel. It'll be dope if you consider hitting the subscribe button. And all the new subscribers, thanks very much. Even better, guys, smash the like button. You know, YouTube algorithm. The more we get seen, the more likes we have. Obviously more people see us, channel gets bigger, and it gets us closer to getting a project car indeed as well. Also, guys, down below in the description you can vote for your 2020 car YouTuber of the year. Multiple choice. I put in as many as I could and the best ones I could think of, and a few small channels as well. So yeah, get voting. It takes you 2 seconds to click on the link, multiple choice, and we'll reveal the winner in January 1st, I'd say, is what we're going to do for that. Also, if considering, if you would like to, I look for people if you'd be interested in coming on the channel, because I've always wanted to make this kind of like a talk show, even with the subscribers or whoever, to do a Zoom call for maybe half an hour or something and just chat about what's going on in the supercar community and with you guys. So if you're interested in coming on, hit me up on my Instagram. It'll come up at the end of the video. And even if you guys want to chat to me on Instagram, follow me up on there, DM me, I'll chat away to you guys. That'd be pretty sick as well. So that's what this chat is about, discussion, guys. So as I said, discussions. We're going to jump into today's discussions. We're going to start off with Supercar Blandies. I don't cover her that much, but the reason I'm covering her now is because she's after getting a new kit on her 720S, a new like a dip with a decal, we could say, going across it, and I must say it is pretty sick. I really like it. It came out really nice. I really like the way she went. It's like a matte grey with a green chrome going through it. It's called, I think it is Top Car Designs in Russia did the kit. I really like it. I think it's called a shark. I don't know what it's called. Something to do with sharks anyway. I love the rear spoiler. That's probably my favourite part of it. But I think she's hit the nail on the head with this design. I really like it. If you've seen the video, guys, let me know in the comments below what you think of her newly designed 720S. I think she said, was it that it costs up to 100,000 for the kit or something? I can't remember. That's insane money. I suppose when you have when you're loaded like her, it's nothing to you, actually. But I mean, it's the reason I like what she did with it is just it's so different. The kit is different. It's not Vorsteiner. It's come from a completely different company. I really like the wheels in it. 20-inch in the front, 21s in the back. It's just something different. I always like different. I like people that make their car different as well. So just said I basically cover it. Just want to hear from you guys in the comments below what you thought of it. Do you hate it, or do you like it, or was it something you would consider doing as well? Next up, guys, on the list is going to be Gooses Squad. So Gooses Squad, apart from them building their Gooses Squad headquarters, they finally got time to take out and do some work on some of their cars, and in mostly recently it was the Supra. They ended up getting the new carbon front lip for the Supra. The reason I'm bringing it up because I really like it. Now I know they have the Street Hunter design rear spoiler, the carbon one as well. I love this front lip, it's really nice. If I wasn't going down the Street Hunter design kit for the Supra, I think it's C-Bond that they might have. Front lip would definitely be a second choice if you didn't want to go for a full wide arch kit. Or I just really like it. I'm not the biggest person of black with carbon, because I know you have to be very close to see it stand out. With TJs, I love the blue with carbon. That's really nice. I like a bright colour with carbon. I love. But with black, I'm not a fan of it. But the lip itself is really nice. I mean, it'd be interesting to go with side skirts or not, but so far the Supra is coming out really nice. They have asked other people, or they have asked in their subscribers, what other projects they should do. A lot of people are asking for their sister's A7 to be done. They need to get parts for the helicopter they're doing. They've quite a bit to go. So I want to hear from you guys in the comments below. How are you enjoying them doing this house build, and you're content to keep them seeing the house build videos, or do you want to see more videos on them doing more work on the cars? I mean, I'm enjoying the house videos. I got sick of them there for a while, but it's getting near completion. So it'd be interesting to see what they do with the inside, and then obviously, you know, them tipping away cars is pretty cool as well. But it doesn't bother me. I like watching the Gooses Flat as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think. Next up, guys, we're covering royalty exotics. So Houston is selling another one of his Bugattis. I don't know, is he up to something big, or is he planning on getting something big? Yeah, so he's selling the red one. I really like the red one. I don't know if he's keeping a Rift exhaust on it, but I really liked his red Bugatti. I can't believe he had three of them. I wonder how much he's going to sell it for. This is a ballpark figure. I'm presuming what, 1.4, 1.5. Let me know in the comments below what you think he's going to sell it for. What do you think is going to happen with royalty with him selling that Bug as well? Do you feel like he has something big planned? I like when he does projects, but the problem with Houston is you don't know, like you don't know what you're going to get with him when he says he's going to do a project. He could buy something and flip it, and that's the only thing I don't like what he does is he says he's going to do something, he could change his mind in 2 seconds. I would rather see the content for the channel. I think was it a 650S? I can't remember what was the burnt McLaren. If somebody can tell me in the comments below. I think he was going to do as a project, but he's already sold it or something. So yeah, I really want to see more clips of the hypercar that he's building with Mondi. That would be pretty sick indeed. I really want to get more updates on that, but obviously, you know, we'll have to wait. So sure, what can you do? So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think is going to happen with royalty. Do you think he has something big planned? Why he's selling the Bugattis? Or what project car do you want to see him do next? Who are we going to? Oh, mentioning of Mondi, that's who we'll be covering next. So Mondi's up next. So Mondi basically has released his latest video. People were screaming at him saying he did because he was calling the NSX a rice machine, and he didn't like the R34. I found this, he's such a funny fucker. Like, he's just basically saying like, oh, the ninjas are out with their blades waiting to stab me over me not being the biggest JDM guy. And he's gone away and bought a Supra, and I'm a massive Supra fan. I had a Supra for 3 years. I modified the hell out of it. I really liked it. But he's after buying an Aerotop automatic white one. I'm just going to give you a quick clip of the car here so you can just see it. I really liked it doing the flyaway. It sounded pretty sick.
Okay, Fast and the Furious.
There you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below. He says he's going to turn into a drift car. I don't know. He's basically saying like he likes the car. Like he's not like too mad about the car. It's not bad. He gave it a 6 out of 10, and he was asking people to comment below the 5 top mods to put into the Supra. I just feel that Mondi being stock the Supra, look, as I said, I had one. They've been a car I knew growing up as well. I think I'm older than Mondi, so I've always loved the Supra. What he isn't giving the Supra credit for is the mods that you can do to it to make it into an absolute weapon, and then you see the real fun side of it. Get some proper coilovers on it, proper, get it handling right with the proper tires, wheels, proper engine mods. Thing would be a beast. I don't want them to drift it. I'd rather them turn into a pocket rocket and just see what they can do with it. But it's his car. Let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think of him getting the Supra, what you want him to do to Supra. Are you happy with him turning into a drift car, or do you think he should do something else with the car? It'd be interesting to hear your thoughts and opinions below. And then last but not least on the list, guys, is going to be Espot. So Espot basically has come out saying that he's gotten a new body kit for his S600. He's paid $3,000 for it, and yeah, insane. I'm not the biggest S600 fan, but he's doing some really nice mods to it. $12,000 exhaust. He's got a new set of wheels. I think the kit will definitely bump it up nicely so it'll look a lot better. I'm not too bad on the colour, but it's still not a bad car at the end of the day. He was at the Malibu Country Club. Jay Leno was there with his P1. He's a great car spotter. It's just an interesting that he's going to go putting so much money into the S600. He's going to come out with how much he spent on the S600 as well shortly. Any guesses in the comments below how much you think Espot's put into his S600? I'm going to say 20,000 maybe. That's as a guess. I'm just guessing 20,000, but yeah, pretty cool though. Fun episode by Espot, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the kit if you've seen the episode, and what you think of the S600 and his Gallardo as well. So that is it, guys, for today. I'm going to try and keep my episodes a bit shorter if I can. Sorry if they're a bit too long. But again, do vote below in the link below. Do smash the subscribe button and hit the like button. Definitely comment below. Until the next episode, guys, I will see you then. So stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.